The Converge Fiber Xers is for real. After years of building this team, sa wakas masasabi natin na isa sila sa best teams ng PBA. Noong ma-acquire ang team mula sa Alaska Aces, March 2022, nangako ang Fiber Xers management sa Alaska ownership led by Mr. Wilfredo Uytengso na itutuloy nila ang winning tradition na sinimulan ng Aces noong pumasok sila sa liga bandang 80s. At syempre, nakilala ang Alaska Aces dahil sa mga kampeonato nila kasama na dyan ang 1996 Grand Slam kung saan ang tatlong conferences na binubuo ng All-Filipino o Philippine Cup ngayon, Commissioner's Cup at Governor's Cup ay parehas na naipanalo sa parehong season. At so far, so good naman. Last conference, we saw a glimpse of potential from this young Converge team na pinangungunahan ni Alex Stockton. From a defensive player noong kanyang college career sa FEU ay unti-unting gumagaling both defense and offense. The dude is not afraid of the bright lights sa PBA. Remember when he made a jumper to extend their quarterfinal series against SMB, but eventually lost the do-or-die game? How about last month with this 3 to tie the game at game-winning play to Justin Arana para talunin na Magnolia? Pero hindi lang natatapos yan kay Alec. They have a solid big in Justin Arana at ang kakadrap lang nila na si Bauti Baltasar na maganda din na pinapakitang performance. They also added the services of Jordan Heading na isa sa best 3-point snipers ngayon. Kaya nga they are on top of the Commissioner's Cup team standings. And recently, may lumabas na report na gustong makuha ng Converge si Mikey Williams. Oh, gaano ba katotoo? Well, bumalik na sa Pilipinas si Mikey at naspatan ng kamera habang nanonood ng laro ng Ginebra at Talk and Text. Lalo tuloy umugong ang speculation na maaaring may pag-uusap na between Katropa and Mikey. But wait, alam natin na maglalaro sa Strong Group Athletics or SGA si Mikey. So baka wala naman, di ba? Baka napadaan lang si Mikey. So anong connection nito sa Converge? Well, the SGA team is being controlled by father and son tandem Frank and Jacob Lau, na biggest supporter ng Converge at heavily invested sila dito. So as a fan, hindi ba natin iisipin na maaaring may pag-uusap na nagaganap between SGA at Converge about reaching out to TNT for a possible trade? However, TNT needs a big man. So sino ba sa Converge ang gusto nilang makuha? Justin Arana ba? O Bauti Baltasar? Or maybe a bench big man and multiple picks. Actually, there was a rumor na TNT wants C-Stan at nasa description ko po yan below. Kalimutan natin na ipitrade si Arana at Baltasar sa TNT. For TNT to get C-Stan, kailangan masatisfy si Terra Firma sa kanilang ino-offer. Ang young big man na pwedeng i-trade ni Converge ay si Gio Ambohot. Kung sakali na magkaroon ng deal, TNT will get C-Stan, Converge gets Mikey Williams, and Terra Firma gets a young big in Gio Ambohot and multiple picks. Again, it will only happen kung gusto ng Converge to be in a win-now mode. Obviously, makakatulong si Mikey sa Converge. A Stockton, Williams, and Heading connection will be scary. All guys can shoot at parehas subok sa clutch, lalo na ang isang player gaya ni Williams. Nakaka-excite lang mga kahupis na may ibang threat to compete for a championship bukod sa mga teams mula sa SMC at MVP groups. Ang huling independent team kasi na nagkampiyon sa PBA ay ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters at matagal na rin yan, halos magdedekada na, 2016. Let's see kung uusad o mawawala din ang rumors na ito. Pero sabi nga nila, when there is smoke, there is fire. Bye muna.